My goal was to write a short guide to PBR, mainly from the side of texturing. I would like to introduce you to this topic so that you can continue to create knowledge in this technique. You won't miss anything worth knowing. For those who are more interested in the topic, at the end of the guide I will put links to articles about PBR. First channel, Albedo. This channel defines the material's color. You can pick any color value of your choice. Next one is metallic. This channel determines if the material is metallic or not. You cannot have a material that is half metallic, it is either metallic or it isn't. In this case we don't have any metallic surface. Ambient occlusion. This property brings the shading closer to make it as natural as possible. This means that it will recreate how objects interact with light. Very important one. Roughness channel. This determines how rough, matte or glossy, shiny an object is, using brightness levels. Subsurface scattering. Scattering determines the behavior of light after hitting human skin. This channel describes in detail how light is reflected or absorbed by human bodies, or in this example of the skin of an ant. Opacity determines if an object is transparent or opaque. For examples, glass surface. Normal map channel. Normal is a channel that renders an object like there is actual geometry. For instance, normal would add bumps and other irregularities. PBR has many advantages. The first is the fact that the factor of guessing how a surface should behave disappears. Most of the information on the internet found values for various materials, both metals and non-metals, was physically measured from the real world. Thanks to this, textures created by various graphic designers will be more consistent, and most importantly, once well-textured object will look properly in all lighting conditions. Thank you everyone. It was a short guide on how to use individual pieces of the puzzle to create material of a 3D object.